What do we got? Oh, found it. Ooh. Yeah. This is about 12, I think. 13?
Yeah, probably about 12.
Yeah. Oh, man. So good. Whoa! Wow. This guy's strong. All right, bye. This is 17. We already just made it. Okay, so it's a good one. So 17. I'm gonna take it back. All right, I think a 17 is really good. Right? Good. Got another one. 又上一个，又上一条，又上一条。那只是 baby。啊，这是 baby。It's a baby one. Got it. Yep. Good. 2 in a row. Ooh, 又上一条。Another fish. Yeah. Woohoo! Good. Yeah, see? When you want it, it's a hammer, see?
Right here.
Yeah, small one. Alright. See it? Alright. Oh yeah, fine. Alright. Okay, okay, you gotta move. I'll roll it over, okay? Alright. Alright. Alright, I gotta take the hook out. Yeah, so this is for 15 and a half. 15 and a half?
Do you need, how long does it need to be there?
18. So we gotta put it back. Alright? We gotta put it back. You want 3 in? Okay. Okay. All right. Make sure don't touch the mouth because that will bite you. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I throw that. Okay. Watch it. Ooh. All right. Bye bye.哇 ，look at 这万道霞光！哇，现在是在马拿川inlet万道霞光，真好看呢！哇，现在是快到傍晚了，哇，太好看了！